Hi, I have a Bosch dishwasher that keeps stopping and beeping mid-cycle. The first time it did it, I noticed the filter at the bottom of the dishwasher was dirty. After cleaning it, the dishwasher continued working fine. A few months later now, it started beeping mid-cycle again, but not the filter is clean. Now the filter is clean.
Do you know the model of your Bosch dishwasher?
Yep. It's SHP65T55UC/02. It doesn't give me an error codes.
How long has this been going on with your Bosch dishwasher? What have you tried so far?
It's been an intermittent issue for a few months.
Is there anything else the appliance expert should know before I connect you? Rest assured that they'll be able to help you.
I've cleaned the filter and pulled the little housing up by the filter to make sure the impeller isn't clogged. I've also checked the drain line to make sure it isn't kinked going into the garbage disposal. I haven't pulled the dishwasher out.
Thanks for waiting. If you open the door when it stalls, is there still a lot of water at the bottom?
Yep. If I reset the cycle by holding down the start button for 3 seconds, the dishwasher will pump all the water out. There aren't any error messages. There is always 111 left in the cycle. I checked the filter and impeller. It spins without lots of effort. The drain line has a high loop that looks to be correctly installed.
Thank you. If you open the door 20 minutes into the cycle, do you get a big plume of steam coming out? It might be stalling because it doesn't heat up the water. How high does the water get in relation to the round filter handle after 5 minutes of filling?
The water does get hot. I'll have to check the water level after filling. I haven't looked at that. I ran the dishwasher. The tub fills up to the top of the filter handle.
Perfect water level, and the water is nice and hot. Something else is making it stop. Does it say anything on the display when it stops?
Nope. No error messages. I pulled out the dishwasher last night to see if something looked clogged. I noticed there was a fair amount of drain hose behind the dishwasher. I pulled it into the cabinet under the kitchen sink, they are adjacent, to make sure there isn't a kink. The line itself looks good. It doesn't look like it's clogged or have debris in it. I've run the dishwasher twice and so far it's drained okay. But it didn't stop every time before. It seems to be an intermittent issue. I've also checked the garbage disposal to make sure it wasn't full. It's clear.
Great thinking. Sounds like sometimes the drain doesn't work, maybe due to a filled-up garbage disposal.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.